Welcome to I God Today, your daily reflection, and I am Father Sonny Sebastian, a Divine Word missionary priest. Jesus had been asked by the disciples of John the Baptist whether he was the one who was expected. And Jesus had given an indirect but very clear answer in the affirmative. He was indeed the one. After the messengers of John had left, Jesus then began to comment about John to the people around him. What had they gone out to the desert to see? Jesus asked them, a reed shaken by the wind? Someone who shifted his position with every passing fashion? Someone who just said what people wanted to hear? No. People went out to hear someone who spoke the truth without fear or favor, who was not afraid to say what needed to be said, even if people were not too happy with what they heard, even when it pointed directly at them. Did they go out to see a man clothed in fine garments? Someone who was rich and famous, who lived in the lap of luxury? No. Those who were gorgeously apparelled and live in luxury are the kings in their palaces. They went out to see a prophet, and indeed more than a prophet. A prophet is someone called to convey to the people a message from God. A prophet is someone who has a deeper insight into the way people should live their lives. His or her role is to announce and denounce and to call people back to their senses and to right living. But John is even more than that. His special role is to prepare the way for the coming of the Messiah. Behold, I am sending my messenger ahead of you. He will prepare your way before you. Among the many prophets, he is unique and is privileged. I tell you, among those born of women, no one is greater than John. Yet, the least in the kingdom of God is greater than he. Our fellowship with Christ is something for which we go to praise and thank God. It is humbling to think that we are more privileged than John, who knew Jesus personally. This privilege also carries with it expectations and challenges, touching on all our lives. We can ask ourselves that when people look at us, do they see a reed shaking and bending with every breeze of fashion? Do they see people who set great store by status, luxury, and an obsession with the material things of this world? Or do they see in us a people who fearlessly and consistently proclaim the way of Christ in all we say and we do? Spend some time in prayer today.